What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. Let's get the views up, followers up, shares up, comments up, bell icons up, subscribers, the lot. Come on, people, man, let's do this. I've also made a Discord, which everyone should check out. We'll chat, sneakers and all that good stuff in that Discord. There's about 4 of us in there just chilling, vibes in. Everyone else is free to join. But yeah, let's just get into this one quickly. What do we have here? That boring old Nike box. That Nike sportswear box, red and white. I've had enough of seeing this box. Let's just focus on the important bits. So the label, it says Nike Air Max AP, and the colorway is black, 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 Volt. And it's funny because I saw Volt somewhere on these trainers and it was not on the trainer, so it should just be black, black, black. But yeah, so US 11, UK 10 centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45, and the style code is CU 4826001, and of course made in Vietnam. So these I saw ages ago, I didn't buy, but now I thought, I've got a lot of trainers, what don't I have? And these came up. So the Nike Air Max AP. I'll go through the colors and everything, just a quick look around on the sneaker, and then I'll, discuss it a bit more. So the bottom, it's got a bit of dirt on it actually, and some marks. Probably from when I was, no, that wasn't even me. I was going to say the on foot, but that's not me. That's a bit odd. Didn't even notice that. But yeah, decent traction on the bottom. Good for the gym and stuff. Definitely not for if you're like on the snow or icy conditions. Then we've got that air bubble. It's kind of an odd air bubble because it's like you can still see where they kind of like sealed the bubble or whatever you want to call it. But it is quite a strong bubble. It's not a weak one. Decent. Yeah, so we've got the air bubble with the black air bubble bits inside. So the actual inside is black. The midsole is kind of different. It's just like a chunk on top. So this is one whole chunk, the midsole. It's got the air bubble and then that kind of plastic on the top. Goes all the way to the front. Literally wraps around. On this side we've got the swoosh, then the upper. We've got a bit of leather on the bottom, then the toe has that leather wraparound, and it's got a Nike swoosh. We've also got leather on the back. So the heel, it says Air, so that new type of Air logo that they have there's on the 270s and stuff. Pull tab. And then more leather, of course, the synthetic stuff, going on the lace loops and then literally around, all the way around the other side. First time I've kind of seen that before, I think. Then we've got mesh, so loads of mesh. It's like different layers the way this shoe is, so it's like layer, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around. Literally, the mesh is wrapped around now. This does give me like different vibes of different sneakers. So many different sneakers I see in these, like for example 97s, 98s. This bit and the pull tab and stuff gives me like Monarch vibes, so Air Max Monarch, Genome, which they had, or Genome, gives me those vibes. Quite a few different ones. Back in the day, there was some old school Air Maxes that had this bit. you know, like literally like that. And it reminds me of those. I literally can't remember the name because we're talking. I remember them from like 2005, 2006. So it's a long time ago. We've got that plasticky swoosh. They also slightly, like with this, you know, these little informations, you're gonna say no, everyone's gonna disagree, but I don't know why I see like some sort of up-tempo vibes, even though up-tempo says air. I don't know why I see that. I also see you know, the skeleton customs a lot of people are doing on the Air Forces, Jordans, stuff like that. I don't know why I see that, even though it's not. It's quite odd. Tongue again is all mesh. The laces, I like these laces a lot. They're not flat, but they're not rounded. They're like flounded, so they're in the middle. That was the worst joke I've told in my life. But yeah, I like that sound actually, or I like that word. Flounded laces, mesh tongue again, and then we've got a tab that says Max Air, not Air Max, but Max Air. So you know it's maximum air. And then when it said Volt on the box, it said it for the insole. That's so strange because you never see insole color being mentioned on the box. That's the first time I've literally seen that in my life. And it does say comfort insole. And just a quick, on this side, it's got quite a small air bubble, really not that big, or exposed air bubble. It could be, you know, air running all through. They are very comfortable, I can't lie. So I like the comfort. I think they are very lightweight. Definitely can wear these, you know, 4 hours, move around in them, go gym in them, day to day. They will be very useful, very helpful. It's definitely not a shoe that's uncomfortable. Like I was actually shocked at how comfortable they are. So that definitely has something to do with, you know, comfort insole and that air bubble. I was thinking, obviously, if I could afford to, I would kind of, you know, cut it open. I would love to see what's actually inside the shoe. So for example, you know, peel this off or something, or cut this open just to see how much air it is, because I doubt it will be, you know, like this, if everyone understands what I'm saying. Or unless they actually did do that. So that could, no, I highly doubt it, man. Why would they do the air like that and then just a piece there? You never know. So yeah, I definitely want to see like a bit more about the technologies, and like the name and stuff. So AP, don't know what that stands for. The only AP I know is the watch. Don't own one because I really cannot afford that. But yeah, AP I saw, so thought, what does that mean? Gave it a few Googles. Not really got any results. But I did find out it was kind of made to be like a running type shoe. However, this can definitely be a lifestyle shoe. With prices, the retail was £110, which in this day and age, not gonna lie, is quite reasonable. £110, because you know Air Maxes are all £170 plus now, which is a joke. So this is a good £60 cheaper if you're comparing them to like Air Max 97s, Air Max 98s, and 95s, whatever. But yeah, so yeah, price point's decent. You can find these cheaper. So I know there are some websites. I don't want to promote anyone or, you know, say go to this website because no one's paying me. So just make your own decision on that. £80. So I've seen them £82. I think these were like $79.99 or something. But the price does change sometimes. I've seen them cheaper depending on size. So I've seen them for around £60, £65. So I do say it is a bargain for around that price, 60, 65, 70. The 110 retail, I'm just against retail. So I've always got that little, you know, devil on my shoulder saying, don't pay retail, don't pay retail. But yeah, I don't want to pay retail, man. So yeah, for £80, I'd definitely say a good buy. You could kind of class it as a bit more expensive but bargain buy. Bargain buys are usually £40 less for me or for the videos I post. And yeah, let me know what you think about these people, man. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you rate them? With sizing, quickly, true to my Air Max size. So the size 10 fits perfectly and are comfortable. No pain. I literally could just walk out with these and it's all good. No pain, nothing. Don't have to really break them in or anything. Some people, you might feel the need to break them in because of this lever here. That can be quite stiff. However, for myself, you know, I find these more comfortable than Air Max 97 and Air Max 98. So yeah, let me know what you think, people. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Check out the Discord and wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. And most importantly, take care, people.